Most people get this wrong. They assume Reddit allows you to change your username freely. But the surprising truth is that once you've set a username, it's permanent for that account. Today, I'll explain exactly what you can and can't do. Reddit usernames are permanent for standard accounts. You won't believe what happens next if you want a new username. The only way is to create a new account with your desired username. This ensures that your old posts and comments remain associated with your original account, so there's no way to transfer history between accounts. If you just want a display name to show on Reddit, that's different. You can change your display name at any time through your profile settings. The display name appears next to your posts and comments instead of your username, so you can customize how others see you without creating a new account. Step by step to change your display name. 1. Open Reddit and go to your profile. 2. Tap or click Edit Profile. 3. Look for the display name field and type your new display name. 4. Save your changes. The surprising truth is that while your username is permanent, your display name gives you flexibility. This is ideal if you want to rebrand yourself or appear differently without losing your account history or karma. In conclusion, you cannot change your Reddit username, but you can update your display name to control how others see you. For a fresh start, creating a new account is the only option. Subscribe for more social media tips and hacks to help you use platforms effectively.